In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Google Sheets connection. If you want to keep your data organized across both Airtable and Google Sheets, setting up a connection between the two can save you a lot of time and help reduce manual copy and paste work. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the overall process in a simple and practical way so you can get your automation running smoothly. To begin, open your Airtable base and your Google Sheets file. It's a good idea to have both of them ready before you start so you can quickly verify the tables, fields, and columns you want to sync. Taking a moment here to confirm that your data is already structured clearly will make the setup much easier later on. Next, choose an integration method such as Zapier, Make, or another sync tool that supports both Airtable and Google Sheets. The tool you choose will act as the bridge between the two platforms. While the exact layout may look a little different depending on the service, the setup process is usually very similar. You'll be connecting one app, then the other, and telling the tool how the data should move. Once you're inside the integration tool, connect Airtable by selecting the correct base and table. This step is important because it tells the automation exactly where the data should come from or where it should go, depending on the workflow you're building. Be sure to choose the table carefully, especially if your base contains multiple tables with similar names. After that, connect Google Sheets by selecting the correct spreadsheet and worksheet. Just like with Airtable, accuracy matters here. Make sure you're working with the right tab inside the spreadsheet so the data ends up in the correct place. If your sheet has header rows, this will also help the integration tool recognize the columns more easily. Now map the columns by matching your Airtable fields with the corresponding Google Sheets columns. This is where you define how information transfers between the two systems. For example, a name field in Airtable should connect to the matching name column in Sheets, and the same idea applies to dates, status fields, or notes. Double check this part carefully because proper mapping is what keeps your data clean and consistent. Then test the connection by sending a sample record. This helps confirm that everything is working as expected before you rely on the automation. Review the result in both Airtable and Google Sheets to make sure the data appears in the right place and in the right format. Finally, enable the automation to turn on automatic updates. Once it's active, your connection will run in the background and keep your information synced based on the setup you created. After that, you're all set.